Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find guys where the fuse for the push start stop switch is located, which fuse controls it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. And why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, so that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses, so if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the push start stop switch fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes and some of those are extremely hidden. We'll have a video on our channel where you can find where the fuse boxes are located on Ford Fusion. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. What we need to do now, come to the driver's side, open the driver door, and here guys, under the dash, you see that trim on the bottom here. Okay, you have 4 clips, one here, here, and 2 on the other side. Pull that thing from top to bottom, opens kind of like on a hinge. Behind it, deep inside the dash on the left side, you're going to find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, the push start stop start switch fuse, where you can find it guys. Okay, if we come here now, you see those double fuses, always keep some spares guys. That's our advice. Why? Because they're hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. We had some problems in the past like that, so keep some spares guys. Next to the fuses you have numbers, and the number that we need now is fuse number 18 right here. So that's actually guys fuse number 17 and 18, 2 fuses integrated in one double fuse. But that one right here is for the push start stop switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.